MQ-9 Reaper will be the next generation drone. The MQ-9 Reaper is an armed, multi-mission, medium-altitude, long-endurance remotely piloted aircraft that is employed primarily against dynamic execution targets and secondarily as an intelligence collection asset. Given its significant loiter time, wide-range sensors, multi-mode communications suite, and precision weapons, it provides a unique capability to perform strike, coordination, and reconnaissance against high-value, fleeting, and time-sensitive targets. Reapers can also perform the following missions and tasks: intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, close air support, combat search and rescue, precision strike, buddy lays, convoy, raid overwatch, target development, and terminal air guidance. The MQ-9's capabilities make it uniquely qualified to conduct irregular warfare operations in support of combat and commander objectives. Who makes Reaper drone? General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, Inc. is a military contractor and subsidiary of General Atomics that designs and manufactures unmanned aerial vehicles and radar systems for the U.S., military and commercial applications worldwide. Features MQ-9 Reaper. The Reaper is part of a remotely piloted aircraft system. A fully operational system consists of several sensor, weapon-equipped aircraft, ground control station, Predator primary satellite link, and spare equipment along with operation and maintenance crews for deployed 24-hour missions. It consists of a rated pilot to control the aircraft and command the mission, an enlisted aircrew member to operate sensors and weapons, as well as a mission coordinator when required. To meet combat and commander's requirements, the Reaper delivers tailored capabilities using mission kits containing various weapons and sensor payload combinations. The MQ-9 baseline system carries the multispectral targeting system, which has a robust suite of visual sensors for targeting. The MTSB integrates an infrared sensor, color, monochrome daylight TV camera, image intensified TV camera, laser rangefinder, designator, and laser illuminator. The full motion video from each of the imaging sensors can be viewed as separate video streams or fused. The unit also incorporates a laser rangefinder designator, which precisely designates targets for employment of laser-guided munitions, such as the Guided Bomb Unit 12 Payway 2. The Reaper is also equipped with a synthetic aperture radar to enable future GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions targeting. The MQ-9 can also employ 4 laser-guided, air-to-ground missile-114 Hellfire missiles, which provide highly accurate, low collateral damage, anti-armor and anti-personnel engagement capabilities. How are Reaper drones controlled? The Reaper is an aircraft with a 20-meter wingspan. It is piloted using flight control surfaces like flaps and ailerons, which are moved via satellite signal. For a successful missile firing, the Reaper needs to be up to a few kilometers away from its target and then pointed towards it to create the right firing angle. How far can a Reaper drone fly? The Predator air vehicle is 8.2 meters long and has a 14.9 meters wingspan. The system operates at an altitude of 620 meters and at a range of 740.8 kilometers. The endurance of the air vehicle is more than 40 hours, while the cruise speed is more than 129.6 kilometers per hour. What weapons do Reaper drones use? The MQ-9 Reaper can also use GBU-38 Joint Direct Attack munitions, a long-known JDAM bomb. The GBU-38 version is the lightest version, so it is suitable for use by drones. JDAM bombs have a control section and are aimed at the target using GPS and an inertial system. How long can an MQ-9 Reaper fly? Featuring unmatched operational flexibility, MQ-9A has an endurance of over 27 hours, speeds of 240 ktas, can operate up to 50 feet, and has a 3,850-pound payload capacity that includes 3,000 pounds of external stores. The aircraft carries 500% more payload and has 9 times the horsepower. It provides a long endurance, persistent surveillance, strike capability for the warfighter. What will replace the MQ-9 Reaper? Predator B drone. As India keenly awaits world's most lethal UAV, US is already planning its replacement MQ-9 Reaper. The U.S. Air Force is all set to develop a next-generation drone that will succeed the currently operational MQ-9 Reaper, also known as the Predator B, in its arsenal.